guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jeanelyn once again, and today's video guys, I'm gonna show you my first ever Charles & Keith bag, guys. This is so special to me because I received this as a gift from the man of my life. And Jay, thank you so much, honey, for always making me happy. And before we proceed, guys, I want you to know that Charles & Keith, as they are bags, shoes, and accessories. So without any further ado, let's begin our unboxing with my first ever Charles & Keith. Let's begin our unboxing. So excited. And this is it. This is my first ever Charles & Keith, guys, with comes with a cover. And so this is it, guys, my first ever Charles & Keith. It is a black kilted bag with faux leather, made of faux leather, guys. Ayan, tatanggalin lang po natin lahat, guys, yung mga cover, no, bago natin tanggalin natin to. Ayan. And of course, itong wow. Yeah, I can't really see it all golden chains. And for the string. That. Yeah. This is the chain string. Open it. And remove also this protection. Also this one for the zipper. And this is the inside. Wow! It comes with this dust bag, guys. If you are not using, you can put it inside here to store and away from the dust. And so it's very nice. After we unbox, it comes with this beautiful golden chain string for the sling, and it is a kilted bag inspired, I think, by Chanel. It's very, I think it's very durable. It's thick, and it's not that really big, and it's not also very small. It's like a medium size. So let's see, guys, if what can we put inside this bag, guys, no? And it comes with two compartment at the back with zipper, and the name here, it has the name here, Charles & Keith. And this is for another compartment for you to use with a zipper, guys. Yeah. And it has also in the front. This is very elegant and classy, guys. You can pair it with anything because it is black. And yeah, it has also this one here. Yeah, you can zip it. And inside we have a small pocket, and you can put inside. You can put anything here. And they have also the zip pocket inside. Have a zipper inside there. Yeah, and you can put important things in a zip compartment. And it has this card, guys. This card for the authenticity of your bag. Ayan, Charles & Keith. Yeah. And when you close it and lock, yeah, there you go, and lock. I like it very much, guys, the chain, golden chain, the sling, and so nice, so classy and elegant. And it's not so big, it's not so small either. And let us see, guys, if how many things can fit in this bag, guys. So let's start here. And Important thing is this one, my wallet, small wallet, because my cards and my all of my cards is here. My card for my transportation and IDs is also here. So I'm always bringing this small wallet with me. So let's see, put here inside, and of course I'm always bringing my power bank and my cell phone, of course, and a little tissue, my headphones, and our keys. My key still can fit in, and this is the card for the building, access card, and yeah, this is the access card of the building. And let's see if still have space here, and of course my lipstick. Yeah, for your retouch, for the girly thing, no? And my powder. See, I have space still. Oh yeah. Yep. And this pocket is not yet used. Can still have this pocket here. Not used still. And close it. Oh yeah. And it fits everything that I needed every time I go out, guys. And I still have the two pockets that is not used here in the back and in the front. And we put already everything that I needed every time I go out, guys, inside this bag. Yeah, I really like this because this is really elegant, I think. And the chain is like it is so strong, also can hold even if it's a little heavy, no? Yeah, you can use this bag as like this, as a shoulder bag, like that. Or you can use it as a sling bag. You can make it longer and have a sling bag. So overall, I really love this bag and this is so special to me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy our unboxing today. I love this bag, honey. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and please leave your comment. Thank you so much for watching.